Vanakkam, this is Hyder Ali Sayyed from Asivagam, United under Tamil Shiva.
It is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave, Neo. Like everyone else, you were born in bondage. Born into a prison that you cannot smell or taste or touch. A prison.
Enemy of Shivites are Caucasian settlers. From them, four beastly regime would emerge. Baniya Brahmin from Caucasian settler control the beastly regime in every age. Together they keep Shivite in bondage as slave. Baniya means merchant traders community, while Brahmin means a priest who propagate Persian doctrine among Shivite, written by secret society called Mithraism. We are living in the era of final fourth beast, which Hadith call as devil from Najd, Abdul Wahab and Kingdom of Saud. Kingdom of Saudi are the Baniya, the money lender of our age who finance countries through their company called Public Investment Fund Saudi 1971. In return, they want Shivite to submit to them totally without any resistance. While Brahmin of our age are the Wahhabi unit who are inserting Persian doctrine among Shivites. Persian doctrine of Mithraism are anti to Shivite tradition and culture. Remember, as old beast collapsed, so did its followers. Criticizing old Baniya Brahmin lobby is totally waste of time. They came, they ruled, and they got weak by time and got absorbed by Shivite culture. They are now struggling to survive and are living in fear, facing their ancestral karma. Shivite tradition teaches us to live in present, learn from past and secure a future. So focus on Baniya Brahmin of our age, that is Saudi Wahhabi. Beware of vultures like Tirumavalvam, Vaman Mishram, who are capitalizing on dead heroes, criticizing Brahmin and burning Persian doctrine called Manu Sastra while pampering Muslim cults who live by Persian doctrine. Instead of standing against the beast, they are serving the beast. Beware of such vultures and parasites who have mortgaged their people's soul for their selfish gain. Saudi Wahhabi, the new Baniya Brahmin unit. Remember, the final fourth beast is different from previous beasts, more dangerous. As said in Bible, Daniel chapter 7. 1947. Is 1947 the year of Satyugam? Did Shivite gain freedom from the bondage of Caucasian settlers' policy of Mithraism? 1947 was the year when East India Company left India. This was the period when old invader settlers once again wanted to grab the vacant position in administration to rule the Shivite of India once again. Before and after 1947, history rotates around Periyar, Jinnah, Ambedkar. Periyar demanded a separate country for black natives, calling that country as Dravidian Nadu. Periyar said if Dravid Nadu is not created, these Baniya Brahmin would take over the land. Remember, Baniya whom Periyar was referring were Khoja Bori Memon, who were associated with Iran. Iran, the birthplace of secret society called Mithraism. Mithraism, whose agenda is to end bloodline of Seth allies Tamil Shiva administration and enslave Shivites. Jinnah, the Baniya. Jinnah was introduced by the syndicate to counter Periyar demand of separate country for Dravidians. Jewish lobby of merchant, their presence is all over the world under different label. Khoja Bori Memon and Jew of Europe are of same clan. Hitler wanted to expel Jew from Germany and Europe. Syndicate proposed a separate country for Baniya, that is to separate country for Khoja Bori Memon to satisfy Periyar. Thus Pakistan was proposed. It means land of the pure. Dravidian Muslim who migrated to Pakistan were considered as inferior and called Muhajir. West Pakistan was dominated by Caucasian Baniya and warrior clan called Pathan, while East Pakistan consists of black population. Remember, East Pakistan black population were genocide by West Pakistan. Point here I would like to make is that Pakistan was not created on the ground of religion. Pakistan, the land of pure, was created to expel Baniya from India, but we still find Khoja Bori Memon in India. Behind Mumbai blast, main accused were Memon brothers. Remember, Shivite tribal colonies have ranks. Each rank knows their place like in nature. Syndicate introduced another agent called Ambedkar, whose main agenda was to disbalance the colony of Shivite. Ambedkar gave 10 years of reservation and wrote Constitution of India which protects minorities. Who are the minorities? Minorities are settlers who are living in India hiding behind some cult. Constitution of India protects those outsiders. With every election, Shivite colony living standard getting bad to worse. Begging and prostitution would become the main occupation and profession of Shivite in coming days. Satyugam prolonging due to four beastly regime disguised as Muslim world. Satyugam possible only through straight path of first Siddha Tamil Shiva. Nandri, Vanakkam.